Hello, in today's video I'm going to share with you my summer makeup must-have products. I don't really use much makeup at all, but when I do, I want it to be really light and breathable because it's really hot here during the summer. And I also just want to highlight my best features without covering up my skin or without changing my features too much. I definitely don't want it to be mask-like. So these products are all very natural and they leave a very natural look as well, which is what I really like about them. So while I'm showing you all the products, I'm also going to put them on my face. So this is also going to be like my everyday summer makeup tutorial as well at the same time. So let's get started. I don't use any foundation at all. I haven't used it for at least 6 months now, not even when I film my videos. But what I do use is 2 different concealers. The first one is from 100% Pure. It's a long glass concealer. I mentioned it in a couple of videos in the past already because it's really nice. So I use it under my eyes and also on any kind of blemishes or any kind of discolorations around my nose, underneath my nose, on the chin, anywhere where I have something slightly red or discolored that I want to conceal a little bit. It doesn't provide tons of coverage and it still allows your skin to shine through, which is important for me. And the interesting thing is that when you put it on, it will seem like it hasn't covered anything at all, but if you wait for 10 or 15 minutes and then you look at the mirror again, you'll see that actually you can't even see the imperfection pretty much at all. So you really have to be patient with this one, but it looks totally natural. Once I'm done with that one, I use another concealer for the under eyes, and it's the Bare Minerals Stroke of Light Eye Brightener. Not exactly concealer, it's more like an eye brightener, but it's so brilliant. I only use it on my teardrop area, so just around here. I don't put underneath my whole eye towards the side of the face because that's where the wrinkles are, and highlighting product like this can actually accentuate the wrinkles. So I learned my lesson the hard way, so I just put it on the really dark area, just close to my nose, and that's it. And it works so well. The next thing I always do, especially when the weather's hot, is I apply some finishing mineral powder. This one's from Lily Lolo, and if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that Lily Lolo, it's a UK brand, is my favorite mineral makeup brand of all times because the ingredients are really clean, the products are amazing, and the price is really good as well. So I apply it just on a few areas that tend to get shiny. So first of all, I apply it underneath my eyes to set the concealer, and then I also apply it over my eyelid because that's where I get these horrible mascara marks if I don't do that, especially when it's hot. And then I apply it on the T-zone, like on my forehead, on my nose, underneath my nose, my chin, and just around my mouth. And this powder is not actually matte, it's radiant, so it leaves such a beautiful radiant finish to the skin. The next thing I do is apply a little bit of blush, and this one is from Bare Minerals. It's such a great product that lately I've been only using that and nothing else. It's my favorite thing in the world, but I really want to get a couple of colors in the future, perhaps something a bit more peachy, more on the golden brown side. And the color is just absolutely gorgeous, and the color is called The One, and it's definitely the one for me. It looks really gorgeous and natural, and I really love applying it. Before I even start doing my makeup, I always put some lip balm on my lips to nourish them before using any kind of lip products, because otherwise there'll be a lot of flaking and any lip products just won't look good enough. And then I'm going to show you a few really incredible lip products. The interesting thing is that all of my life I only use sort of pink shades of lip products, lip balms and lipsticks and lip glosses. Anything I ever used was always on the pink side, and often even on the cooler side, which really, now that I know more about, you know, skin tones and so on, I realized that it was actually the wrong shade for me, because I have a very warm golden undertone on my skin. And so what really works so much better for me is warmer tones as well. So lately I've been experimenting with more brownish, peachy, golden tones on my lip, and I feel that they work so well with my skin tone. So the ones I've been loving so much lately are these 3 products. The first one is a lip pencil from Lily Lolo, and it has this beautiful, totally natural color. and it's called Soft Nude. It's seriously the most perfect nude color in the world. I use it to line my lips, and then I fill in the whole area of the lips as well. And then I simply apply some lip gloss, and this one is from Lily Lolo as well. You think it looks really weird and brown, but it looks so beautiful on the lips. I mean, you can see it yourself as I'm applying it. It has little golden shimmer particles in it, and it's just beautiful. It's called Espresso Martini. Brilliant. I would have never ever thought of buying something in this color in the past, but now that I did, I don't think I can ever go back to cold pink tones in my life ever again. And then if I don't use this Lily Lolo pencil, there's another one that I really love as well, and it's from 100% Pure Perfect Naked Pout. That's the color of it, and it's basically like a slightly thicker pencil. I guess you can use it as a lipstick as well, and it has a slightly more peachy color. It's a little bit less nude, but still absolutely gorgeous. And I would usually finish it with that lip gloss as well, because it gives that beautiful golden undertone to it. And I find that lip gloss also makes my lips look slightly bigger, because I have very, very thin lips. At least my upper lip is really, really thin. So lip gloss works really well with my shape of lips. The next thing is the brows, and I'm not really going to show you the product because it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is not a green natural brand at all. And I bought it before I really got into natural products, but I don't really want to buy a new product and spend money while I still have the old one. So I'm almost totally out of it, and once I finish it, I'm going to buy the brow product from 100% Pure because my mom and sister are already using it and they love it, but for now, that's what I use and it works really well. The next thing I always do is I apply a little bit of black eye pencil on my upper lash line. I always leave the inner third without any kind of line at all. And this one is 100% Pure Creamy Long Last Liner in Blackest. I've used it for years. It's very soft, very creamy, very easy to apply, and it blends so easily, which is perfect because once I apply it, I always take this little pencil from MAC, but it has this tapered end, sort of like dome-shaped end, which is perfect for smoothing out the edges of the black pencil. So that's what I do, and it looks super ultra natural. And the last thing, of course, is mascara. And the one I've loved for years is the 100% Pure Fruit Pigmented Mascara, the ultra lengthening one. It's the best natural mascara I've ever tried, hands down. So if you haven't tried it yet, I would definitely highly recommend this one. It smells really nice as well, because a lot of mascaras do tend to have a very nasty smell, but this one actually smells nice and it works really well. So these are all of my current summer makeup favorite products. Some of them are old favorites and some of them are new, and I hope that you're going to get some inspiration and hope some of these will be really, really nice on you as well. If you have any summer makeup favorites that you think I would really love, let me know. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.